Today we will be learning a step that you have done before, but we will now be doing it in a different position, grand plie and fourth. Here's what it looks like. Make sure there is equal weight on both feet and that your knees stay pointed to the side. Ready to learn? Let's go. A correct fourth position has about the space of one of your feet in between each leg. So let's take our foot and measure that. Now, make sure that the heel of your front foot is in line with the toes of your back foot by turning out. Great. It's important that you have equal weight in between both of your legs, especially in a fourth position. We will prepare our arms on 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you remember the specific port de bras we did with grand pliés in first, second, and third, as that is the port de bras we will be doing for this exercise. Let's begin by doing one demi-plie in fourth position. Try it with me. Demi-plie and stretch. Good. Now to do a grand plie, we will demi-plie, grand plie, demi-plie, and stretch. Making sure your heels are coming off of the floor at the bottom and that your upper body is remaining tall and lifted. Let's try that together 2 full times. Demi, stretch, and grand plie. Coming up and lengthen. Demi, stretch, and grand plie down, and coming up and lengthen. Great. Let's now try to the left. We will tendu, plie, sous, and turn to the other side. Tendu, and lower to a fourth position. Let's try it together. Demi-plie, stretch, and grand plie down, coming up and lengthen. Demi-plie, stretch, grand plie, coming down, lifting and lengthening. Tendu, plie, sous, turn and finish. Good work. Let's try it with music. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi, stretch, grand plie, and lengthen. Tendu, plie, sous, and turn, plie, left side, and demi, plie, grand plie, and lengthen. Demi, plie, grand plie, and lengthen. Tendu, plie, sous, and turn and finish. You have done a grand plie in fourth position. Good job. Keep on practicing for the next lesson. We will now be learning a grand plie in fifth position. This is very similar to a grand plie in third, except now you are going to have your front foot crossed all the way over. This is what it will look like. Make sure that as you do this step, you don't just plop down at the bottom, but that it is smooth and controlled. Ready to try? Let's do it. We will now be doing a grand plie in fifth position. Let's put our feet in a third position and now slide your front foot so that your heel is touching your big toe. This is a correct fifth position. Let's start by doing a demi-plie together. Demi-plie and stretch. Good. Let's now try a grand plie. Demi-plie, grand, demi-plie, stretch. Good. It is important to remember that your knees stay pointed out to the side and that you're lifting and lengthening in your upper body. Let's try it with counts. Prepare the arm 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi-plie 1, 2, stretch 3, 4, grand plie 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will then plie, sous-sus, and turn to go to the left side. Try it with me to the left. Demi-plie, stretch, grand plie, coming up, and demi-plie, stretch, and grand plie, coming up. We'll plie, sous-sus, turn, and finish. Let's try it with music. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi, stretch, and grand, and demi, stretch, grand plie, and plie, sous-sus, turn, other side, and demi-plie, stretch, grand plie, coming up, and demi-plie, stretch, grand plie, coming up, plie, sous-sus, and turn, and finish. You have now completed a grand plie in 5th position. Keep practicing so you will be ready to combine a grand plie in both 4th and 5th position. Keep up the great work. For this exercise, we will be combining grand plies in each of the 5 positions we have learned: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Here is what it will look like. It is important that you feel comfortable with each position before doing this exercise. Ready to learn? Let's go. For this exercise, we will be combining a demi-plie and grand plie in each position we have learned. We will begin in 1st, tendu 2nd, tendu 3rd, and 4th, tendu 5th. We will then plie, sous-sus, and turn to go to the left. Let's try it together with music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi-plie and grand. Tendu 2nd and demi, grand. Tendu 3rd and demi, grand. Tendu 4th, demi, grand. Tendu 5th and demi, grand. Plie, sous-sus, turn, plie, tendu 1st and demi, grand. Tendu 2nd, demi, grand. Tendu 3rd, demi, grand. Tendu 4th, demi, grand. did it! You have now learned a grand plie in each classical position of ballet. Continue to make sure you are staying straight up and down and lifted in each grand plie, that your knees are pointing out and that your heels are coming off the floor in each position except in second. Keep up the great work!